The deck is now sealed, the surface is even. Now we can start priming. Priming with two-component epoxy primer has two main reasons. First reason, 100% water protection of the deck. Second reason, far better grip for coating in Kiwi Grip, the non-skid color. We were using Epoxy Light Primer White by Boot Service Benke, Germany. This is after one layer of priming. One more layer to go. Took a while to paint it twice, so I ran into the evening. To be honest, it makes you pretty proud once it's done. Now comes the fun part. A surface without any structure is simply boring. So I had to break the deck down into specific areas to make it look lighter, and in the end better. I had no idea how to do that, so I took a piece of paper and made simply a rough drawing of the surface. That here is the original sketch. With that next to me, I had to pre-paint the leading lines with coating 2 times, then let it finally dry and design the entire structure with tape. And this is how I did it. Now it is time to cut out the smooth edges. I had no circle tool available, so I went down to the galley. There I found an original contest cup from 1990 with perfect shape. It was my first try ever, and not that bad, I think. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. It is time for Kiwi Grip now. A non-skid deck color in color cream. We mixed it up with 10% of water as the producer recommended. Then we applied it to the deck, area per area. And then we rolled it out with the roller provided along with the paint. And that is the final result. Quite a lot of work, but it was worth it. Of course, Teak is very beautiful, but we went with Kiwi Grip and are very happy. Two days later. The deck fittings have meanwhile been installed and most of the tape is removed. Follow for more DIY boat videos.